What's the meaning of catch? Catch. Catch.
Catch. Catch. The word catch has several meanings, but its primary definition is to capture or seize something. It can also refer to receiving something that is thrown or tossed, such as a ball. In sports, catch typically refers to the act of stopping and holding onto a moving object, such as a football or baseball. Additionally, to catch someone can mean to surprise or expose their wrongdoing. Overall, the meaning of catch depends on the context in which it is used, but it generally involves grasping or intercepting something physically or mentally.